Alright guys, this is gonna be an unedited video. We have some bad news. Like we have videos that I needed to get edited and uploaded to the channel, but things have not been going well, and I'm about to show you why. So, come into the garage here, turn the light on. I didn't do anything. My car at the moment is, turn the light on. There we go, light on. Awesome. So, I got the camshaft cover off my car, and sad part is we thought it was a simple issue. We had to replace the timing chain tensioner, but unfortunately, it's more of a bigger issue. The tensioner itself, how it's a bolt, and it goes into, like, I wish I could just kind of show you. It goes like, there's the cover for it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at my finger. Oh, there's a cover for it right there. And then it's a little bolt that goes in there, and
right there.
it's broken.
The head of it
It's
is
stuck
broken inside the head.
in the head. And so I need a new head for my car.
And or we might get lucky and be able to get
And
that
or
out.
we might get lucky, like he said. But
doubting.
very, very doubtful. So Cobalt is out of commission.
My Cobalt's still running.
His Cobalt still runs.
Okay.
But no, I mean, kind of short video, small, just a little update. This is what we were doing today. This is uploading the day of, like, right now. So it's uncut, unedited, just to give you guys an update of what's going on, why we haven't really been uploading, and we might upload next week just a little bit to see, you know, whatever.
We're gonna try to get a video up as soon as we can. The biggest thing is of course the car is having issues, and we're gonna film, you know, when we're fixing it and whatnot. But the other thing is we're also moving into a different place. He's gonna be moving into his own
There's
place,
stuff everywhere. in
and
this
then I'll be
garage.
moving into my own place, type of deal. We won't be roommates anymore. But so that's the biggest thing, is there's a lot of moving around and stuff right now. So don't hate us, love us, subscribe.
I hope we can
More
save this head. If not, because it looks clean. Like, honestly, with almost 200,000 miles on this car, I mean, it's work's been done to it. It doesn't look terrible. Like,
Nope.
from how it looks, if we can get the bolt out that's broken in there, awesome. If not, see what we can do. Maybe take it to a machine shop, see what they can do. I doubt it. Maybe save the head for later, but I'm gonna buy his head from him and see if we can get it in.
Yep.
But,
Cut my head off, throw out the Cobalt.
Anyway, that's been an update. Sorry for, you know, lack, but
Don't hate us.
life is life, especially when you're, you know, just whatever. Anyway, unedited, whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please just subscribe, support the channel.
very
We need
small.
you.
There's gonna
Thank
be a
you.
lot of cool stuff coming up.
There will
Just
be a
so
lot
you
of cool
guys know.
stuff. It's just wintertime. It's snowing. It's cold. A lot of, you know,
I'm going to Vegas tomorrow,
He's going to Vegas.
so
He's
there will
gonna.
be a video.
Yeah, I'll lend him the GoPro. He can have some fun with that. But anyway, guys, hope you guys, I mean, it's a sad update, but hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. Patreon, I'll put links in the description. Help me out. Get a new head for the content car. Anyway, guys, see you guys in the next one.